dare to imagine a better world and visionary who saw beyond the horizon and lived for his people. Now the moment of truth has arrived. The time has come for this leader to step forward and address us all, to share the wisdom gained through hard work, the insights power from experience, and the vision that will guide us into tomorrow. We stand on the threshold of a new era, ready to be inspired, ready to be led, and ready to build the and welcome to the historic event, the first ever virtual policy launch. And it's my pleasure to I'm telling you, after some years you'll see. How you doing? So I just feel like going home. Yeah, Madame is back. So yeah. Last time. How is it? I didn't. Who's your patient? He does, but he said
already seen Ashanti. Let's talk about Western region. I think Western region is by far the richest region, if not in Ghana. Our research on attribution reserves shows that gold, iron ore, gas, bauxite, and lithium and diamond, potential of agro-processing and all the arable lands in the country amounts to 2.5 trillion US dollars. This is the outcome of our research. We are determined to bring out every agency. So as you can see, we have searched every region inside out and realized what sort of wealth that can be created there and projected it in the next 10 years. Ghana will have an economic output at 4.7 trillion with 13 million hectares of arable land and all these minerals. We will also create 8 million jobs in a decade. Now let me look at some of the places. I've already showed you Volta region. Maybe we should look at Ashanti region. Can we play the video for Ashanti region? Can we play the video for Ashanti region? So you just saw Western region. It's one of my favorite regions. I believe that this region is going to become the Texas of Africa. This is where we are going to have the most industrial plants, the most mineral, the most agro products to be processed, and it's right next to the coast. We can supply Africa and even supply the world. We have to take the Western region very serious. 420 something billion, it's something for us to take very serious because one, it's going to create all the jobs in the western side and even bring people from other parts of Ghana. We are going into wealth creation. And I want to do this with you, Ghana. As you can see, wealth creation comes with job creation. But we produce 200,000 barrels of oil per day in Ghana. We sell this and then, in fact, we let people extract it, go and refine it, then we go back to Europe and buy the same product, premium, and sell our fuel at 15 point something cents per liter. All we have to do is build our refineries, and we will have competitive prices, and we will save the losses in the economy, the inflation in the economy, just because of industrialization. As we can see also, just our oil can also produce us all the petrochemicals. We don't need to import products. We need to export products. The more we import products, the more we drive our economy out of this country. The more we export products, the more we take in other people's economy into our country. And the more we would export, it means we have created jobs. You know, this is going to make Ghana become the powerhouse of Africa. Okay? We cannot do agriculture without the culture. Now you can see that we have a lot of farmers in Ghana, but we don't have the processing plant to process the farming products. So we do the agriculture, but we don't do the culture. The culture is the 7 times of processing one product, like cocoa. It can be chocolate, it can be cocoa butter cream, it can be a shampoo, it can be so many things. And there is the brownfield to create other things from this one product and create more jobs. As you can already see, 800,000 jobs per year within these 16 regions. That makes it at least 50,000 people getting a job in the region. I mean, I'm being conservative with the 8 million jobs in 10 years. But, to be honest with you, a machine, a plant, is the only thing that can give you jobs. 3 different shifts. 8 hours times 3 a day. That is what I call 24-hour economy. You need industrialization Who sells Gary for 24 hours in Makala? The women in Kejetia and Tantamatu cannot work for 24 hours. When you take a factory, when you take a plant, a production line to give 3 shifts a day, no industrialization, no 24-hour economy. I have brought you your economic freedom. With all this potential, how do we connect our regions and transport the supplies on the industrial scale? That takes you to Pillar 2. We've just finished with Pillar 1. I can tell you. All right, ready? I'm going to play one more video.